You know, talking, looking at the pool,
Yeah.
you look at me, and I'll be like, what the fuck, bro?
Okay.
Come on.
I like fish, but you cannot lie.
Go.
Wait.
She's dancing over here.
Go back.
Piece of shit.
Go.
Oh. Wait.
Keep going. That was good.
Should I walk? Bitch? Yeah, but wait, go.
Hold on. Oh, she pumped. We were about to take a step, so I did too, and then no, you stood still. I was like, motherfucker.
Go, just playing around and go. It's not even recording. Just try it.
What?
You said playing around.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Keep going. Where? Why?
She said go.
Oh, wait, we forgot this chain thing, huh? It's like, ooh. It's like, right here. It's like dangling and shit.
Okay.
Go.
Wait, what? Okay. This?
Yeah.
It was.
This is where we should have changed the shirt.
Dude.
Go.
How much? Eh?
Yeah. Go. Go.
I don't want to spring.
Go.
Fuck. Do it again. Okay, what we're gonna do is we come into that door. I'm gonna be like this. Like this. Like, sit down on the couch, I'm gonna show you something. Oh, damn.
Oh shit.
Just pull up the stool. Bam. Bam. I'm gonna start playing the damn song. So it's gonna get very, very awkward. Sitting there, listening to it, and try not to laugh.
I'll break that song. That's a B-boy.
Okay.
I want that too.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. That's when I do what?
That's when we're supposed to.
That's when you boogie. Damn.
Right. I gotta get it out of my system, or I won't be hungry later.
Fart.
No, I can't do that. I might short.
Oh shit, I'm not gonna make it.
Who's coming in? Come on.
Janice, don't step on it or I'll kill
Dennis, don't step on it or I'll kill you. Hulk Hogan.
I was actually singing this to you.
You don't have to. Oh my god.
Stop looking at me.
I'm Dennis and I'm looking at the carpet.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, thirsty.
Thirsty.
Okay, ready?
No.
You wanna do
Damn, I'm dark as hell.
Okay, ready?
Do it.
What?
Yeah. Just
Laugh your ass off rolling on the floor.
oh shit, hold on.
Bloopers. Shit, hold on. Goddamn.
Fucking stool. Are you done already? Because I haven't even started. Okay, well, let me get down on my knees here. Shut up. Alright, go.
This nigga. Okay, I'm sorry.
Go. Ring, 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 ring.
What? You should have seen it on camera like.
Ring, ring.
God damn.
What?
I was too far in, I couldn't see.
Ring, ring.
What the hell?
I can't give a straight face when he's like, who's that?
Ring, ring.
It's because he has this face that he does and it makes me laugh. Just like that face that you were laughing at with me, and he does this.
No, don't do it.
He's like, he's trying to smile, but he's trying not to smile, but he's still smiling kind of face.
Ring, ring.
God damn. Go back. It took too long.
Ring, ring.
Toss it.
What?
Toss the phone. Except not so all apart. Try it again. Alright, go. Oh. God damn, you dark.
Bitch.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Phone's ringing. Go answer it. Go get it, boy. Go get it. Go get it.
Hello?
I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, go.
Hello?
Who's this?
It's Norma's boyfriend.
Who's this?
Hello?
Oh, you're supposed to say, this is Norma's boyfriend. Who's this? Go. Hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
This is Norma's boyfriend. Who's this?
Oh, I forgot about it. All late and shit.
This is Norma's boyfriend. Who's this?
Then who's this? And that's where that's where I stay silent. And you're like, who's this? Who's this? And then nigga, fuck you then.
This is Norman's boyfriend. Who's this? Who's
Hello?
this? Hello? Fuck you then. Yeah. Throw it away, girl.
I hit my tooth. Alright, come out. Huh. Wrong closet, jackass. Alright, come out. Was it the light?
Yeah, it was the light.
Alright, come out. What the hell? You're smiling. It's not
I'm not supposed to smile?
No.
I'm surprised I smile. Shit. Can I just stand here? You get the walking part, and it's just like, bang.
I have to re-record it again. What?
Oh, just we're gonna go with that. Just get a good like.
The fuck?
Hold on, stand right there, Norma.
Alright. You need the computer, I mean the TV again?
Yes.
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 Even with this shit, are you kidding
Even
me?
with this shit, yeah.
Put it on my crotch. Does that work?
Are you gonna leave it
Kind of.
I was about to say I gotta get it in the right spot. Shut up, you're disgusting.